How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to another video for the House Money channel. In this channel I will be going over a few of my brokerages, which will be Schwab, Vanguard, Ametitrade, and Fidelity. In these accounts I use my swing trading strategy, which is deploying money into these brokerages and then over a period of 30 to 90 days withdrawing my withdrawing my principal and leaving my profits in the market. On these, I do not purchase fractional share. Schwab and Fidelity offer fractional share if you purchase by dollar amount instead of share amount. But I usually buy my fractional shares in my Robinhood, Stash App, Cash App, and public portfolios. So as you can see on my Schwab here, I already did my swing trading strategy for November, December in this account. So I only have 2 plays left, which both of these are just just long-term plays that I'm just going to leave in here and let sit. Not really nothing amazing or anything like that. As you see on ELVT, I am up 101%, and I'm actually down 32% on ETTX. And then in my Vanguard, same thing. I've already basically did my swing trade for the last 2 months, and the last position I have left is just a little long-term investment as well. And we'll go over to my Ametitrade real quick, which these are 4 accounts I've already swung trade out of, so they're really not much left in them, but we'll still go over them and just take a look. Same thing here with Ametitrade. I do have 1 swing trade left, which is AJRT. I believe I have 2 shares here at $42.80, and it's up a very small amount. The last 2 trades are just long-term investments that I'm going to leave in this account. As you can see with Hyliion, I'm down a bunch. Hopefully this play bounces back. When I originally bought this position, it was under the ticker SHLL before the merger. Once the merger happened, I was really supposed to swing trade this position, which I might have should have, because I was actually up at that point. But since the ticker changed, in my notes my ticker was SHLL, so I did not sell out of it due to the fact that, in my mind it no longer exists because I didn't have this ticker HYLN in my notes. And then as you can see though, my balance is $500 in this account, so I still have quite a bit of principal, probably about $400 or so to pull out of this account. And then my Fidelity account is going to be pretty much the same thing. That's kind of why I did a 4-on-1 video here, just because these accounts really don't have much left in them. But they are a good source for swing trading. See if this will load here. Try that again. Alright. So here I only have 1 more position left to swing trade, which is Tattoo Chef, which is a new SPAC merger. It's up 11% or 214. So what I'll do is sell out of that, and that 214 I'll buy fractional shares in like Robinhood or something, just to keep those gains in the market. And this one as well, as you can see, Hyliion is still pretty much down 62%. Multiplan is down 21%, and those are just long-term plays, so it'd be good just to let them sit there. And as you can see, I have $533 in this account, so basically I have about $400 or so worth of principal as well, $487 to be exact, to go ahead and pull out for principal that I made off swing trades here as well. And that'll be it for those 4 brokerages. Like I said, what I do is deploy money in the market, and I gain free fractional shares. So I'll give you a couple examples. Like here, I have over $4,200 worth of house money or free shares. These are positions that I've swing traded, and as you see, it's up another 14%. These are all positions that I've swing traded since June, that I've gained free shares of by putting money into the market and then pulling out my principal. So I've done like 20 grand, 15 grand, 28 grand, putting that in the market 3 separate times and then pulling it out. And as you can see, I'm making money because this is all profit here. And I'll show you Stash and a couple others that allowed me to screen record. In Stash, I have $1,900 worth of free stock. And then in Acorns, I have over $1,000 worth of free stock. And then in my Cash App, I'm sitting at a little over $1,000 worth of free shares as well. So all these positions here would just be free shares that I've accumulated over time from the swing trading strategy that I use. And then I'll show you my public account. This will be the last one I'm gonna show. The other ones either won't let me screen record, or they just, you know, blast the account numbers all over the screen, so I don't want to show that. So these all be house money positions as well. If you want to follow my channel and follow my journey, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to keep the videos coming as a notification. And you can hit the thumbs up for me if you don't mind helping out my channel. I'm trying to get it to grow. And this is just, like I said, a strategy of me putting money into the market, pulling out the principal, and just having my gains. And as you can see, my current value of my portfolios in total is probably like 8 to 10 grand, somewhere roughly around there. I'll get a better estimate at the end of the month by the time I finish pulling out all my principal. You can try to use my strategy if you want. You can do it with less money or more money. Or if you want to just follow my channel, I do post stock picks quite often. And as well as, you know, you can just look at the tickers that I do invest in. And, you know, you can do your own research, own due diligence, and look at these tickers. And if it's something you would like to invest in, you can invest in. In my opinion, they're, you know, A1 stocks. They're all very good tickers, all very good plays for the long term. And I'll just show you my watch list. As you can see, these are all the tickers that I have invested in, which is super diversified, which in my opinion is super safe. You know, if one company takes a doo-doo, you know, I got several others that won't. Sometimes you have unforeseen circumstances, but as you can see here, I have 349 tickers on my watch list. So over the course, you know, every time I add one, you know, I'll include it in my videos, and I'll give a brief description of why I'm you know, investing in that ticker. Sometimes I'll do technical analysis, maybe I'll go over the balance sheets, or just give you a quick breakdown of what the company does. But I will be buying into all of these positions next month in January, and I will be swing trading these as well, trying to accumulate more fractional shares of all these companies that I believe in for the long term. Like I said, if you like the video, please hit the like button, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions, or, you know, reply to any statements made. And that'll be it for the video. I'll do about 21, 22 trades tonight after midnight. Probably about, I don't know, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning once I, you know, get done at work. And like I said, I'll make those trades, which is going to be me selling out of about 20 something positions that I have, and then I'll pull out some principal, and I'll also show my gains that I've made as well. And I'll probably have some stock picks for you guys too. I'll probably analyze some stocks tonight while I'm at work, and I'll give an update video on that. And that'll be it for today's video.